Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Radiant, cast iron for Pitco part hashtag 5425,515,001. Radiant, cast iron for Magikitch'n part hashtag 5425,515,001 is a replacement part for Magikitch'n commercial grills. It is a cast iron Radiant that is designed to evenly distribute heat across the cooking surface of the grill. The part is made from high-grade cast iron and features a heavy-duty construction that ensures long-lasting durability. The Radiant also helps to reduce flare-ups and provides even heat distribution for better cooking results. This part is an essential component of any commercial grill and can help to ensure that your grill operates at peak. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement cast iron burner for a Magikitch'n commercial griddle. It fixes the symptom of a malfunctioning or broken burner on the griddle. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unpack the Radiant, cast iron for Magikitch'n part hashtag 5425,515,001 and check that all components are present. 2. Place the Radiant, cast iron on a flat, level surface and make sure it is securely fastened to the countertop or other work surface. 3. Connect the gas supply line to the inlet of the Radiant. Cast iron and ensure that it is properly sealed with a gas-rated sealant. 4. Connect the power supply to the power outlet on the back of the Radiant. Cast iron and ensure that it is properly secured with a strain relief clamp. 5. Turn on the ga. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.